The Greenville City Fire Department Explorer program is a program offered to young men and women ages 14 to 21. This program offers valuable insight into the career field of firefighting and emergency services. This hands-on program offers real-life experiences, training, and exposure to daily life as a firefighter. It also offers one-on-one mentorship and guidance from the Explorer advisors.
The Explorer program has a much greater impact on participants' lives other than just an introduction to firefighting.
Explorers also gain leadership experience and learn important life skills such as effective communication, organization, teamwork, and interview preparation, which will benefit them no matter what career path they choose.
Several of Greenville City Fire Department's Explorers have begun the process to become professional firefighters. Thanks to the Explorer program, we have been able to attend certification training at no cost. We are proud of our accomplishments and want to ensure that more young people in our community have the opportunity to participate in the program and increase their chances for a successful future.
We would like to thank all of our community partners for making this program possible. The contributions that they have made will make a life change in the lives of these young people as they pursue their future. If you're interested in joining the Greenville City Fire Explorer program, please visit our website for more information.